people, this is Privately. Welcome back. And in today's video, we will cruise, or should I say boat ride. So let's go guys and get amused by the bay. So guys, we're going to buy a ticket for the boat ride. This booth is for the cruise by the bay, tickets only. Okay. Isa lang po. 180. Yes, 180 per head, so it's just like $3.4. Okay, per head. Okay, thank you. So we got our ticket, guys. We got here. And we're going to fill out for the what's this waiver? Hindi pa naman ako marunong lumangoy.
Hindi naman lalangoy lang kung bukala.
Kaloka. Private. LI. Female.
Yan ma'am. Thank you. Good afternoon.
Try natin. Okay. Excuse me. We're now here. Dito tayo manggagaling, di ba? Dito tayo eksakto malapit sa may MOA. And then there's dalawang ferry waiting. So hindi ko alam kung alin. Here. And then so this is the ferry. Okay. Hi.
Tantahan po tayo. Ang ulo po ba mga ito?
Thank you. So I think okay. Saan ba maganda mag-vlog dito? Syempre sa unahan, di ba? This will be like a 30 minutes boat ride.
The boat ride, mama. Mga 20 minutes.
20 minutes. 25 minutes back and forth.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So, yun guys. Let's check out. It's safe because they do have this life jacket for each passenger. Ayan guys. So this is a 28 persons capacity. So ngayon nandito tayo sa captain's booth. Captain's area. Kuya, magsusuot talaga ako dito kasi hindi ako marunong lumangoy. Ay, susuot talaga. Una-una talaga, no? Susuot natin ito, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, hindi tayo marunong lumangoy.
Diyan lang, diyan.
Pag mapupuno tayo, meron pa doon. Ayan, they're coming. Yan, napuno kami, guys. Oh my God. Here we go. Aboard. This is a 30 minutes maximum back and forth boat ride. We're enjoying the seaside view, and now we are going to OKADA Manila area. So, I think napuno tayo. And after, and we're approaching OKADA. That's the Solaire. Kompleto rin sila sa mga reminders. No smoking and please wear your life vest. Okay. It's very safe here. balat ang sikat ng araw. Sana sooner on malinis din ito kasi maganda siyang gawing ding tourist activity din itong boat ride. Pero in fairness, wala nang amoy. So, hindi mo masyadong maamoy yung unlike before. So, there you go. We are heading closely to Okada side, Okada area. Talaga yung fresh air. It's rare. Ayan. Ano kami Shout out sa ilang heads. How many packs are we in this boat ride? Okay. So, shout out sa inyo. Ayan. It's the Okada. Pero hindi tayo pupunta sa loob ng Okada. In a few minutes, we'll be turning back to the port from where we came from the SM by the bay. Ay, ganda ng view.
Naka-extra kayo dyan dalawa. Tatlo nga eh.
Shout out!
Shout out po kay Mapol.
Shout out yung mask. Shout out po kay Mapol. Subscribe na rin po kay ate. How was the experience? It was great. First time? No. Itutay ko kayo. Private. Anong name? Anong name ganda? Kate po. Any YT channel or TikTok or wala? Okay. Walang social media. So, sorry guys, hindi kayo makakapag-follow kahit saan. Ayan na. Diba? Oh, sorry. Sorry po. Naku guys, sorry. Taken na pala. See the MOA eye. So we came from that point and now we're going back. So just enjoy the seaside view, tall buildings. Yeah. So that's where we came. That's the Okada Manila side. Since the passengers on board are happy with the boat ride, so do I. At yung mga staff, talagang napaka-asikaso and friendly. So we're trying to get the sunset. Ayan, may sunset na because it's already 5:30. There. Malapit na tayo. There. Ayan, tapos na kami. Tapos, ayan na yung next
Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Sa inyo. Thank you po.
Oo. Sa sunod, hapaan ko yung vlog ko.
Salamat.
O, subscribe naman.
Yeah, subscribe po
Privately.
kayo.
Private LI. Privately.
Sakay na po kayo dito sa boat ride. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So, ayan. Ay, dala-dala ko ba yung life? Yung...
Oh no.
Di ba, magbabayaran pa ako, no? Diyos ko. Ano tawag dito? Pero guys, inuwi ko pa, inakyat ko pa yung life vest. Takot na takot malunod. Oh my goodness.
Matanggalin lang mo.
Naka-ano pa naman, naka-record pa naman. Thank you.